goodness, Miss G.
Good morning, Bob. Good to see you.
Good to see you too, Miss G. What a lovely garden you have there.
Thank you, Bob. Gardening is my hobby, you see.
That is great. The kids in my classroom would love to learn more about you, Miss G, if you are free.
What a good idea. I would love that, Bob.
Shall we go then? Hello, kids. Look who I have brought along to meet you all.
Good day, Miss G. Good day to you too, kids. It is generous of all of you to invite me. Thank you.
Could you tell the kids what starts with the letter G?
Well, let's see. Girl, and I am a girl.
That you are.
Goat. Guitar. Gorilla. Oh! Gate. I can go on and on the whole day, Bob.
That was great, Miss G. Could you please go through this once more so the kids remember it?
Gladly, Bob. Girl, and I am a girl. Goat. Guitar. Gorilla. Wow! Gate.
That was great. Now, could you help the kids to write the letter G?
Yes, please.
Jack, are you ready?
Yes, Bob. Write a big letter C, almost like a semicircle. Stop, and without moving your crayon pencil, go make a short standing line up to the middle and stop. And then to the middle and draw a straight line to connect. Right, just like that. Good job, Jack. This needs some practice, Bob.
Yes, it does. Do you want to show how it is done once more?
Sure, Bob. Write a big letter C, almost like a semicircle. Stop, and without moving your crayon or pencil, go make a short standing line up to the middle and stop. And then go to the middle and draw a straight line to connect, like this. You are a genius, Jack. I am so glad I came. Thank you, kids. Have a great day. What a gorgeous day it has been, Bob. All thanks to you.
You are welcome, Miss G. Before you head off to your gardening, I have a little something for you. Would you like to hear it?
Oh, how gorgeous. Yes, I would love to.
Miss G loves to work in the garden. She finds it lots and lots of fun. Charming, gorgeous, and full of grace. A smile is always on her face. Miss G can sound like ga ga ga, and also like G G G. I find that really funny. I'm sure you all agree. Ga 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 ga, G G G. That's what makes Miss G. Goat, goose, gate, and game all start with the ga ga ga. Giraffe and Gem and Ginger begin with the G G G. Miss G can sound like ga ga ga, and also like G G G. I find that really funny. I'm sure you all agree. Ga 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 ga, G G G. That's what makes Miss G. Ga 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 ga, G G G. That's what makes Miss G.
Oh, goodness gracious me. That was goofy, and I'm gobsmacked. Thank you, Bob.
Thank you, Miss G, for spending time with us. We will be back soon with another letter of the alphabet and loads of fun.
Yes, you will. Goodbye, friends, and have a glorious, glorious day.